Okay. JR just called me right now and he said his timing belt broke on the freeway, and then he asked if his car's fucked. I said he might have been a valve, so he's gonna figure it out. Here with this creamy car and this creamy car, and then there's another creamy car right there. What brings you to the neighborhood?
Broken axle. After 40 miles, that shit's hella sketch. You turn and thing goes that way.
Okay.
Pretty sketchy.
All right.
Pretty
Well,
sketchy.
let's check it out. Look at this car.
Catching me riding dirty too. Look at that.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Dirty.
Wait, which mount? Okay, for the diff, it's like the bump stop.
Yeah. I can feel it rotate. Like when you go from reverse to first or whatever. Like I literally feel the shit doing this.
Well, are your U-bolts tight?
Probably. No.
Okay, well here, let's check it out. We're working in the street today because, you know, this thing's here and then this thing's here, so we're working in traffic today. Safety second. Like your leaf springs falling apart. Your leaf springs aren't even clamped together. Here, let's put your car in neutral. Oh, well, I can, hold on. Well, your U-bolts are loose and I can see your shit rocking back and forth. That's what you're talking about. Your pinion angles to the sky because your pinion's pointed up. Because your leaf springs are loose. It's tight in your blocks. I'm thinking the leaf springs are just loose and the rear end shaking like crazy. Yeah, leave it in first gear. You know, I've driven on wheels more bent than that, or axles. I don't know, bro. That's looking pretty straight to me. Did you hit a curb?
That was last time.
When was the last time?
The first time you fixed the weld.
Let's snug everything up. All right, turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Leaf springs are falling off. Yeah, you got the wrong lug nuts on that side. Yeah, bro, I don't think it's a bent axle. Do you agree?
I don't know. What is it?
Your rear end's about to fall out of the car. But the thing is, we gotta set the right angle. Yeah, it's not even on there. Oh, yeah, look, it's not even on there. Come on, bro. It's not a bent axle, it's just a loose axle. All right, we'll check.
Like on the on-ramp, I felt when I shifted third, I felt it like the rear end just kind of like swing like.
Here, you can crank down on it. That one. I feel like you should just make sure everything else is tight. But yeah, you see this opening up? Probably have to re-clamp them or get a shop to clamp them because there's like a little rivet that holds them in. And then I see there was bump stops here and you removed them.
Sure.
I'll say let's put it back together and drive it. Good thing these wheels are hub-centric. Go for a ride. Oh, dang. You got the low carb beer right there.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I didn't do anything. finished the car. The U-bolts were just loose. And now Bobby's practicing for the event.